Wow, check out how beautiful this place is. The Mall of Africa. Trying to find an entrance. Okay, it's that side. Yeah. Wow, this is the Mall of Africa, the biggest in South Africa and the most posh one. It's got all designer shops in here. There's even Zara here. That's Zara. And X. Unique all shops that you can find in the UK. They're all here. Yeah, but he's a foreigner. All right. Like Pick and Pay, they sell clothes.
It's Pick and Pay clothes, Pick and Pay food, Pick and Pay gold.
So it's for mega brand, bro.
Lá passando o carro, a gente chega
Okay. Like 7,000. How much is that?
Pound.
That's price.
That's pretty expensive for just one bag.
7,000.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's price for one bag.